Welcome back, creators! Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Uncrop, a tool that takes image editing to a new level. Forget about cropping down. Uncrop does the exact opposite. It expands your photos, allowing you to go beyond the edges and add extra content seamlessly. Let's dive in and explore how this innovative tool works in practice. So, what exactly is Uncrop? This tool is perfect for extending any image beyond its original borders. Whether a photograph, a piece of digital art, or an AI-generated image, with just one quick upload, Uncrop works with magic by expanding your image in all directions, adding realistic new details where needed. The process is straightforward. Expanding an image only takes one click, and if you are working on a large project, you can even use a bulk uncrop feature to process up to 10 images at a time. Uncrop stands out because it doesn't just stretch the image or add empty space. The AI smartly generates new meaningful content, continuing a background, extending textures, or even creating elements that fit perfectly with the original image. Here is a cool bonus. You can keep expanding the image even after the first uncrop. If you want to push the boundaries even further, you can apply multiple rounds of expansion, and while the content grows, the resolution remains the same. Using Uncrop is really straightforward. First, open up the tool and drag in the image you want to work on. You can also select the file directly from your device. Once the image is uploaded, the AI analyzes it quickly and expands in all directions. The process happens in seconds, making it perfect if you work under tight deadlines. When the expansion is done, you can easily compare the original image with the newly expanded version using before and after slider. Once you're happy with the result, just hit download and your enhanced image is ready to be used. Now that you have seen how simple it is, let's talk about some practical examples. One great use of Uncrop is with portraits. Instead of leaving a portrait with a tight crop, you can use Uncrop to extend the background, adding context and depth to the image. Another perfect example is landscape photography. You can transform a standard landscape shot into a stunning wide-angle view, revealing more of the scene that wasn't captured in the original frame. These are just few ways Uncrop can enhance your images. Whether it's portraits, landscapes, digital art, or even creating new versions of your favorite movie stills, this tool opens up endless creative possibilities. If you are looking for a tool to help you push the boundaries of your images, Uncrop is definitely worth trying. It's fast and easy, and it can take your visuals to the next level in just few clicks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more tips and tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.